Mr. Modi, let's start by talking about you. In the 6 years that you've been Chief Minister of Gujarat, the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation has declared Gujarat to be the best administered state. India today, on 2 separate occasions, has declared that you are the most efficient Chief Minister. And yet, despite that, people still call you to your face a mass murderer, and they accuse you of being prejudiced against Muslims. Do you have an image problem?
I think it's not proper to say that people. There are 2 or 3 persons, those who used to talk in this terminology. And I always say, God bless them.
You're saying this is a conspiracy of 2-3 people only?
I have not said so.
But you're saying it's only 2-3 people.
This is what I have information. It's not the people's voice.
Can I point out to you that in September 2003, the Supreme Court said they had lost faith in the Gujarat government? In April 2004, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court in open court said that you were like a modern-day Nero who looks the other side when helpless children and innocent women are burnt. The Supreme Court seems to have a problem with you.
Karan, I have a small request. Please go to the Supreme Court judgment. And is there anything in writing? I'll be happy to know everything.
It wasn't in writing. You're absolutely right.
If
it was
it
an
is in
observation.
judgment,
it is an observation.
If it is in judgment, then I'll be happy to give you the answer.
I'll tell you what the problem is. Even 5 years after the Gujarat killings of 2002, the ghost of Godhra still haunts you. Why have you not done more to allay that ghost?
This I gave it to the media persons like Karan Thapar. Let them do and let them enjoy.
Can I suggest something to you?
I have no problem.
Why can't you say that you regret the killings that happened? Why can't you say that maybe the government should have done more to protect the Muslims?
What I have to say, I have said at that time. And you can find out my statements.
Just say it again.
Not necessarily I have to talk about the in 2007 everything, what you want to talk.
But by not saying it again, by not letting people hear the message repeatedly, you're allowing an image that is contrary to the interest of Gujarat to continue. It's in your hands to change it.
Oh, I'll have to rest.
दोस्ती बनी रहे, अपनी दोस्ती बनी रहे. You came here. I'm happy and thankful to you. It's okay. Your things are आपके ideas हैं, आप बोलते रहिए, करते रहिए. 3-4 questions I will let you enjoy. So I can't.
But Modi sahab,
Please.
Modi sahab.
कल देखो मैं दोस्ताना संबंध बनाना चाहता हूँ. आप उसको कोशिश कीजिए.
मुझे एक चीज समझाएं सर. I'm not talking about doing anything wrong. I'm saying why can't you correct the image?
देखिए आपने दिस इज नॉट द टाइम. उसके लिए आपने 2002 में मुझे मिले होते, 2003 में मिले होते, मैं सब करूँगा.
Okay, then one second.